I'm Bobby and I'm here today to help you build the Vidja Lamp from IKEA. So let's open it up and see what we got. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your bolts and your base, and there's a little hole at the bottom. You're just going to want to put your bolt through, place it on the floor, and set it aside for now. So next, you're going to want to grab this plastic piece, and there's a little bar going across this one, and you're going to want to make sure that's facing up. Then you're going to want to grab your cord here, and you want to grab the end with the plug, and you're going to put it through one of the two sides of the plastic piece, just a little until it gets a little bit past the on-off switch. So next, you're going to want to take this plastic piece, and on the one side here there's a little cutout. You're going to want to push the cord through that spot, and then you're going to want to push it onto the base until it fits nice and snug. So next you're going to want to find the rod with the nut in the one end, and then you're going to have your base, and you're just going to want to screw it on to the bolt that's already in there that we placed in there earlier. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then you're all done. Okay, so next you're going to want to grab your 4 rods and the little rod too. So what you're going to want to do is there's one side that's smaller than the other. You're going to want to put that in the hole of this rod, and you're going to want to line up the holes. Do that for all 4, and then add the little one at the top. So next you're going to want to grab these little sockets that are on the cord. You're going to want to push it through this hole here. You're just going to want to squeeze it as you're pushing it through. Make sure it comes through to the other side. And then you're going to grab the next one. You're going to go to the back side, and you're going to push it through while squeezing it. Make sure it clicks, and keep repeating it like this for all the sides. Make sure they're vice versa like this, all the way up to the top. Okay, so notice if the rod's a little flimsy, that's okay. We're going to fix that a little bit later. But next, we're going to want to push the cord into all these little clips that are sticking out on the other side. Do that for all 6, and then you're done. So before we move on, we want to make sure that the cord is nice and tight here. And we want to make sure that the cord is also parallel to the rod inside the clip. So you're going to be using the Soletta LED lights, and they're just a max voltage of 1.8 watts, and we're going to be using 3 today, but you can use any amount from 1 to 6. So next you're going to want to grab your 3 cylinders here that make up the shade of the lamp, and now here comes the fun part of lining up all this Velcro again. And then, yeah, see you when it's done. Okay, so next you're going to want to grab one of the 3 cylinders that we just made. And you're going to want to gently and carefully place it over this. And you're going to want this little Velcro piece at the back there to be right over top of the cord here. And then you're just going to want to push it down just like that. And you're all done. So next you're going to want to grab one of these last few plastic pieces, and there's a little arm here. It's closer to one side than the other, so you're going to want to make sure that it's closer to the bottom, and then you're going to want to gently and carefully maneuver it around all these lights. Try not to break anything. And then just here at the bottom, you're going to want to tuck it into the first lampshade, and you're going to want to clip it in. Then, right after that, you're going to want to grab your next lampshade here. Line the Velcros up to this one here. You want to push that in. Do the same for the next few parts, and we're all done. Okay, so next you're going to want to grab this last circle plastic piece. You're going to want to put it on the top here, and you're going to want to tuck the lampshade in. So that it fits nice and snug on the top. And then you're gonna wanna grab this last plastic piece, and there's 2 holes, you can feel them inside there. And you're just gonna wanna push the plastic piece in, and if they go through those 2 holes, you would hear a click, and then you're all done your lamp. Okay, so our final step is to plug it in and turn it on.
Like if you found this video useful, and if you want, consider subscribing.